Bluey woke in the middle of the night. A rumble shook the floor loud. Bingo whispered, "Did you hear that? Could the house be alive?" Bandit grabbed his torch fast. Chili pulled open the curtains wide. Outside, the sky glowed green strange. Could this be from space? Rusty pointed at the garden below. The ground cracked open long. Indy shouted, "Something is coming up. Could it be dangerous?" Suddenly a giant vine burst through. It twisted toward the roof wild. Muffin screamed loud, holding socks tight. Could it destroy the house? Bluey ran outside fearless. She leapt onto the vine quick. Bingo yelled, "Don't fall, Bluey." Could she really climb this? The vine carried her high skyward. Clouds swirled like a storm big. Lightning flashed around her bright. Could this lead to another world? At the top she found a gate glowing. Symbols pulsed across its frame strange. Bandit shouted, "Hold on, we're coming." Could they reach her in time? The gate opened slowly wide. A new land stretched beyond, endless. Trees made of crystal sparkled bright. Could this be a magical realm? Bluey stepped through amazed. Bingo ran beside, smiling huge. Rusty and Indy followed bold. Could they be heroes now? But a roar thundered behind them loud. A stone giant rose from the hills tall. Its fists smashed the ground hard. Could this be the guardian? Chili held her ground strong. She shouted, "We mean no harm." The giant paused and tilted its head slow. Could it understand her words? Bluey held up the balloon bright. The giant's eyes softened, glowing. It knelt and placed a golden key down. Could this unlock the secret? Bingo picked it up, shaking. A doorway shimmered open behind them fast. Everyone gasped in awe, thrilled. Could this be the true adventure? They all ran into the light, laughing. The world shifted around, dazzling. And the next mystery waited unseen. Could you dare follow them next time? So if you're ready for that leap, tap subscribe, hit like, and step with Bluey into the